In 2025, ISO 27001 is gaining traction as the go-to cybersecurity framework. Its global recognition and adaptability make it a favorite among businesses aiming to enhance their security posture. But why is it so popular? ISO 27001 and SOC 2 serve different purposes. 27001 is internationally recognized, focusing on comprehensive security management. SOC 2, however, is more US-centric, emphasizing data privacy. Understanding these differences helps businesses choose the right framework. While 27001 offers a broad scope, SOC 2 is tailored for service providers. Companies often select 27001 for its flexibility and global applicability, whereas SOC 2 is chosen for specific compliance needs. 27001 also provides robust security measures, ensuring comprehensive protection against threats. Its framework is both flexible and scalable, adapting to various business sizes and industries. This adaptability enhances trust and compliance across global markets. By adopting 27001, businesses not only improve security but also build customer trust. Its structured approach to risk management ensures compliance with international standards, making it a preferred choice for many industries. Recapping, 27001 offers global recognition and adaptability, while SOC 2 is more region-specific. Consider your business needs and industry requirements when choosing between them. 27001's comprehensive approach often provides a competitive edge. By aligning your security strategy with 27001, you'll enhance your organization's resilience and trustworthiness. Evaluate your goals and industry demands to make an informed decision that supports your business growth. Take action today by assessing which framework aligns best with your objectives. Implementing 27001 could be the key to elevating your cybersecurity strategy and gaining a competitive advantage in the global market. Contact us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com for more information.